so after we have everything installed, we can go ahead and come down to your search bar, whatever system you're using, and you can just search Virtual Machine Manager. That's what the Virt Manager actually installs right here. I already have it open there. Or you can bring up a terminal if you choose. I like to use Terminator. And you can say Virt dash manager and then hit enter and it'll launch. I'm already logged into mine and I'm going to show you why this is really the easiest. All right. All you have to do to launch a new system is connect to your main virtual machine manager, whether it's locally like this one right here, or it's a remote one like I'm using here at 192.168.1.153 on my local nowhere. And if you see here, it says install from local install media, or you can install via the network or existing disk image. And let's say browse. I already have ISOs on there, ISOs, so I'm gonna go ahead and do Fedora. Alright, that's what I want to install. Oh, alright. I'm going to actually use 4096 for 4 gigs of RAM and 2 virtual CPUs for us because it's just going to be like a desktop for me. And 20 gigs should be enough, even though I have over a terabyte of storage available. And Alma Linux now is what they have this version, but I'm going to say Fedora Linux for all of you who are not familiar with that. It's what you can use. It's like the Red Hat open source version of their desktop. So it's Fedora. I'll have a space in here in the name. It doesn't like that, so we're gonna do underscore. The default network is not active. Okay, but that just went when I selected it. We're just gonna wait for that to go ahead and install. And this is how you can do it. Once you have your image on there, like so, like I said, you can go ahead and install that ISO file and start it up. Make sure that you don't overutilize your CPU. I had 32 gigs of RAM available to me, so creating a 4 gig machine won't be taxing. And it's actually loading up fairly quickly. If this part gets boring, you can go ahead and speed up through it. All right, and here we go. Voila. We have this nice desktop they have there. And it says, welcome to Fedora. You want to install Fedora or not now? Because it's the live media CD. I'm going to say install Fedora. And as you can see, KVM is beautiful. It's nice. I'm using the Virt Manager to interact with it. It's clean. It's the icons are all here. If you want File, View Manager, this is the manager over here on the left side. I can have my actual VM in here. It's like any other hypervisor for the most part. You can do your shutdown controls, migrate, delete, take screenshot, redirect USB drives, console, your details. You can do details over here, and that's all the different inputs on that device. It has a nice icons for starting, pausing, shutting it down. These are the shutdown options, right? Reboot, shutdown, reset, force off, or save that image. You can send key functionality. We'll go back to the console so I can go ahead and proceed. We want to use the entire disk. So this is just regular Fedora stuff, right? So let's not get caught up in that. This is a mixed bag. But this is clean. It's simple. You don't have to have a whole bunch of commands. If you're new uh, to the tech space, or if you're just trying to get stuff done in a home lab or something like that, this is a way to do it. You don't have to go the Docker route, the Kubernetes route. However, I will be having videos for that and opportunities for that. So stay tuned. Also, if you're not on our Discord at case_tech, you need to go ahead and join our Discord. If you aren't in our monthly subscription service on School, go ahead and do that as well. Um, that's going to be Case DevOps, right? Again, in school.com, it's Case DevOps. It's only $9 a month. There's a lot of added value coming from that, okay? But this is pretty much it. Tune in for the next video. I'm gonna bring this up as it ends and it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna let you guys see a little bit more of what KVM's capabilities are. I'm gonna go ahead and launch these right now so you can see that you can run multiple instances. It's very stable. So I started up Windows Server 2025. I can also start up Windows 10, and this will still be able to go on and do its thing, right? Okay, there it goes. So all of these are started. And on that same server, I do have Docker running, IMDAL, right? I have that running, and this is our Plex server right there. So hold on, let me see. Let's see. Before I let you guys go, so even with me running all these servers, oh, oops, I'm putting the wrong IP address. I don't know why I keep doing that. No, you guys can't see, but doing that off the page. So, and here you go. Voila, it's still running smoothly without any hiccups or issues. Right here. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I still hit these different things, and it looks good. All right. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tune in to the next uh, video.